Mad Minutes are to help students develop instant recall of note names. I put the answers in for the first 3 questions, and then they have the answers. So they're practicing right answers and not wrong answers. As they learn new notes, we add them to the Mad Minute. The first one is just B-A-G, and the one that you see the students doing in the video is B-A-G-E, Mad Minute. And again, first 4 notes are given to them, so they're practicing right answers, not wrong answers. When I want to do it for an assessment, I take those answers out. To mark the Mad Minutes, I have the students read the letter names in unison. Then I can hear if one child says the wrong answer, and I'll correct them.
Read the notes. B-G-E-A-N. If you said F at the end, it was wrong. Circle it. It's an E.
What is it?